Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
We'll go for this one as well. So drug distribution system is the same. वैसे it talks about quality or whatever, सारी चीज़ें जितनी भी हैं is the same. How and what drug requirements, how much of stock they can keep. A treatment supporter only does a 2 months ka stock. Health facility keeps 2 months of reserve. A TU drug store 2 months. A DTC keeps 3 months, and a state drug store 3 months. So this is how a drug requirement should be there, reserve stock at any point of time within the system. Okay, so patient-wise boxes, because you see, unlike first-line drugs, which are those blister packs, which comes in boxes, because the government orders it like that to the agencies. These drugs are procured from different suppliers because they are very different drugs, and they are, let's say, Cipla ने एक बनाया, हेटेरो ने दूसरा बनाया, लुपिन ने तीसरा बनाया. The Delaminate comes from Japan. What do you call? That comes from US. So all those drugs has to be made into a box. So that box is made either at the CTD level, which is GMSD. The 5 GMSDs, they make it through the CMSS. CMSS is the government procurement agency, where these boxes are made specifically for the second line, because they don't come in boxes, right? So that is what. State drug store also does the repackaging. Let's say patient मर गया या patient ने कुछ नहीं लिया, वो जो loose पड़े हुए हैं उस चीज को repackaging करके they make boxes out of those as well. And at the drug store, अगर किसी drug regimen किसी का modify किया, after we have given him, let's suppose, 3 months of treatment, we realize कि his sputum smear is not converting, so we need to probably add another drug regimen to it. So those things are done at the district level, because that is the closest to the second line patient. So that is done at that point of time. We were talking about bedaquiline. Bedaquiline is made by Janssen Pilag, which is a Johnson & Johnson subsidiary. So it comes from the US. उसकी अभी तक production, India में they'll start a production very soon, but as of now it is imported from US. Or there is Delaminate, which is Otsuka Pharmaceuticals, which is from Japan. So these are the two latest drugs. These two drugs are the only two drugs which have come out for tuberculosis in the last 50 years. So all the drugs which are there for tuberculosis have been more than 50 years old. So somehow, because TB was never thought as a problem, none of the pharmaceuticals were investing into research for TB. So the research has gone from the government agencies. So bedaquiline has gone from the NIH, which is US government funded, and Otsuka Pharmaceuticals has the Japanese JICA, Japanese government has funded Delaminate. Another 1 or 2 drugs are also coming up, which will help in oral regimens. Again, they are funded. A European agency funded drug is in the pipeline, and also another one which is coming from Japan. So it's only when huge amount of fund gets invested, a new drug comes out. And normally pharmaceutical does not think it is cost effective to make these kind of drugs, because when you sell it in the market, the cost is much higher. But when a government buys or a country buys, the overall cost and margin is less, so they do not make that much of money out of it. So those are the reasons why it has happened. So there are different regimens. What I told is a shorter oral regimen, जिसमें injectables नहीं हैं drug resistant TB के लिए. So those are there. There is a longer oral also regimen. So these are basic standard regimens. Next we move there. Again, it is based on weight wise, category wise, just like all TB treatment. Here also it is weight wise. Again, it is that same thing. Next we move. No, there are few drugs, but those are FDC, fixed dose combination. That has 4 drugs. This is a single drug we are talking. So there is a difference. ठीक है? These are, those 4 are part of that. Rifampicin, ethambutol, parazinamide, and pyridoxine is a vitamin which is given because these drugs cause neuropathy. It affects the nerves. So you need to give this vitamin pyridoxine, which so that his neurotoxicity reduces. So the boxes have been put in type A and type B, which is for the early intensive phase, which is 6 months. Type B is the longer continuation phase, which happens. Next. So we do not call it IP and CP for DRTB, we call it type A, type B, right? Because a lot of permutation combination happens. Just in case if the sputum conversion does not happen, then the treatment extends further. So for all those reasons, we do not do that. Then child-friendly formulations are also there for pediatric age group. India was the first country to start child-friendly formulations for treatment under public health program. They were available privately in other countries as well, but India was the first country to provide it under the national program. So this is how bedaquiline. Well, let's move. Supply chain is almost same how it is for the first line as well. The only thing is because they are thermolabile, they are kept at the district level only, they are not kept at the TU level. So from the GMSDs to SDS to district, that's it, not further down. Whatever is needed from the district level, it is provided to the treatment supporter to be given to the patient. DTC is the district TB center, which is based at the district headquarters. Originally जो district hospital हुआ करता था उसमें ही एक wing या whatever हुआ करती थी DTC. But over the time, because district hospitals have also evolved, वो बड़े हो गए हैं, नई buildings आ गई हैं, वो सब हो गया, तो sometimes separately the district TB center थोड़ा सा separate सा हो जाता है उस तरीके से, या बहुत जगह districts में medical colleges खुल गई हैं, तो again इसलिए district TB center थोड़ा सा अलग सा हो गया है. It does not deal with patients per se mostly. It deals with management. Patients and other things are managed at the hospital itself. वहाँ पे chest and TB disease का department होता है, वो manage करते हैं. But rest of the management happens at the DTC. But there are a lot of DTCs जहाँ पे अभी भी patient management होता है, because DTO he himself happens to be a doctor. His second medical officer also happens to be a doctor. Both, more often than not, most of the times, they are MD chest medicine, yeah, in some cases internal medicine as well. So they can manage those. तो वो भी होता है, but otherwise, it's more of a management unit. So this is again that distribution. It happens the same way जैसे first line का है, from the SDS सेंटर जो भी ऑर्डर करती है कंपनीज को, इट गोज टू द GMSDs, फ्रॉम देयर इट गोज टू द स्टेट ड्रग स्टोर, and then it goes down. And everything is reported through the Nikshay Aushadhi software, the Nikshay portal, right? But this is distribution of second line drugs to the, you remember Dr. Soni ने बताया था कि they have those centers where the second line treatment is initiated, right? जो उन्होंने 6 मेडिकल कॉलेज में बताए थे शुरू के, तो 6 मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में है, and slowly now they are decentralizing it to the district level. So the transfer from the SDS happens to these 6, yeah, slowly to the district level it will happen. So there is a senior DRTB, TB HIV supervisor in every district. He looks into all this. So this is again a dedicated staff whose role is to coordinate for drug resistant TB cases as well as TB HIV cases. So just like STS is for the normal first line TB treatment, there is a STLS who looks at the lab quality component. There is a DRTB and TB HIV senior supervisor. He has a dual role, both for DRTB as well as for TB HIV. So there is one person, he also has a motorbike to cover all those areas. He takes help of the STS in the specific areas कि भाई monitoring और वो सब के लिए local areas में वो सारी चीज़ें हों. But otherwise, overall data, other things, he manages and he looks into those. So as we mentioned, कि 2 months will be at the TU level because those are the duration जो उसकी treatment patient की होनी है, तो that is available. और वो वहाँ से सप्लाई करते हैं on a monthly basis to the health facility जहाँ पे वो treatment patient का चल रहा है. And everything is reported through Nikshay Aushadhi. Rest of the mechanism is almost similar, just the quantity is less. Even the number of patients are very less. Let's not go into modification in regimen and all that. That is beyond your scope. Bedaquiline, again, because this is a very bedaquiline and delaminate both are very expensive drugs, इसलिए थोड़ा सा specific इसके लिए they have mentioned. Each box has 60 the dose is 470, so 8 6 are 48, 480 tablets should be there in 8 boxes. So 10 of those from the 8th box is taken. All of them get reconstituted into another box. पैकेजिंग as I have already told कि जो भी लास्ट में बचते हैं उसको रिकन्स्टिट्यूट करके we make different boxes for different patients as per their need. This is other than whatever the boxes come from top to bottom. जो भी बचे रह गए, कोई डेथ हो गई या LFU हो गया या उसका रेजिमेंट चेंज हो गया, तो उसकी जो बाकी दवाइयाँ बची उसको रिकन्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया जाता है. So quality assurance, I think we have spoken quite a bit about it. Waste, if any drug expires due to reasons beyond control, it should be disposed of after writing of the loss as may be required under the rules, and thereafter procedures laid down in the rules under Drugs and Cosmetic Act and Biomedical Waste Management Rules of Government of India. So there is a set guideline. Based on that, whatever drug has expired has to be accounted for. That has to be written in the expired drug register with a remark which says why it has, what was the reason why it expired and all those things with a justification, and based on that, on a biomedical waste it is disposed of. वैसे निक्षय औषधि में रिकॉर्डिंग एंड रिपोर्टिंग होती है, just like for all other things, for second line drugs also. Modules available in Nikshay Aushadhi is it can do a quantification and forecasting, which is done at the national level only. Management request, routine request, additional drug request. It does a issue and a dispatch also from GMSD to state drug stores, from there to the district drug stores, from there to the TUs or the health facility. So those dispatch other things is automatically, you put in and it automatically generates an email to the concerned personnel to do those transfers. And receipt of drugs from the store also, you have to acknowledge those. So those are to be acknowledged. That is also online. So everything is automated. Stock management and other things are to be done physically. To look into, वो computer नहीं कर पाएगा. Even though it will tell, you have to cross verify कि हाँ वो है actually. And we know about the quality control management. That is also there, part of Nikshay Aushadhi, and it generates reports. These are roles for different staff who are there in the year. Dispensation, so it is again done through Nikshay Aushadhi. This is for the CBNAT cartridges. More often than not, this is also on the same sort of way, but it goes to the lab. That is the only difference. There is no consumption at the patient level, so it goes from the site. The data goes up, and the order goes from the state drugstore down below. I think MERM we did it. All second line drugs are procured and issued in loose forms, which I already told, because different manufacturers manufacture different drugs. All those are procured, put together, and at the GMSD and at the SDS, they are made into patient-wise boxes.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.